The key to hosting a fabulous but low-key dinner party is to create an experience, set the mood. Whether it's a birthday dinner or a holiday party or just a quiet Friday night in, here are my tips for hosting a casual dinner party that will really impress your guests. Okay, honey, first, let's set the scene. My living room doubles as my dining room, and this transformer-grade folding table that lives under my bed most of the time does the trick and provides the perfect dining space. It's all about transitional furniture. It's the key to small space living, so don't be afraid of folding chairs either. Recovered in your favorite fabric, they're the perfect solution when you need extra seating. Now back to the folding table. Here's one of my biggest tips. Tablecloths can be expensive, so I cover mine using a painter's drop cloth. They're durable, affordable, easy to clean, and the natural canvas ones look like linen. Now let's dress the table. Most of my plates, glassware, champagne coupes, ice buckets are secondhand that I found at either a thrift store or an estate sale. Plastic, nothing is allowed on my dinner table. Real glassware is luxury, but the champagne glass also cost me $1 at a thrift store, so just remember, fancy doesn't mean it has to be expensive. It's the little details that really bring the fabulous. Cloth napkins, lovely flowers, candlelight. At the end of the day, though, it's all about setting the mood. A place where your guests can feel relaxed and comfortable. Keep it simple, but make it feel big. However, don't stress. You're inviting your favorite people into your home. Their biggest memory will be how you made them feel warm and welcome while they were there.